Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to animate text in your Canva video. So in case you add any text on your video like this and you want to animate it, make it looks nice, you can easily go ahead and do that. Now, the first thing that I recommend that you do is to select your text by clicking on your text just like this. Ensure that you have the right sizing and position it where you want. And you want to go ahead and click on animate from the top bar here. Here you can find it, animate, and so you can just go through the different animation. The cool thing about Canva is that once you hover over animation, you will see it appears the way you want to, and so this is a way how you can easily see it, how it will appear. So let's say you want to select the animation. Here are some additional things that you can do. You can change the animation, whether to do both on enter or exit. You can choose how you want it, right? And if you want to keep it simple, you don't have to go through all of these different things. Just select it. But what I do recommend that you do is you want to adjust the text along with the animation. So once you click on animation, it is set. But as you can see, by default, when you add a text, it is basically adjust for by some reason to 5 seconds. And so I recommend that you adjust this by clicking on the text on the timeline and just adjust it to the way you want, right? So you can do something like that. Now, this is going to ensure that the animation, the videos, the text, all to the amount of time that you want. And so let's have a look at this now. You can see I have my text. It comes in and it fades out, right? And you can make it longer if you want. If you feel like it's too much, you can always go ahead and just basically do that. And that's how you can easily go ahead and add animation to your text in Canva on your videos. Very easy and very simple.